Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable gestures for navigation in any Samsung phone. If you are using any Samsung phone and you want to enable gestures for navigation, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings app and here just scroll down and look for display option, tap on it, and here you will get the navigation bar option. If you can't get it here, just go back, go for search option, and here just search for navigation. Once you have searched, you will get navigation bar or system navigation. So you must have to select that option and here just tap on that option and then you must have to select swipe gestures instead of buttons. Once you have selected, your navigation bar will be enabled and now you can easily use gestures for navigation in any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.